Hey everybody, it's Nick and Nick from MH Ford Racing. We're here today to talk to you about our annual open house sale. It's coming up this Saturday, February the 13th. It's going to be bigger than ever. Make sure you get out here 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday only. We're going to have an awesome lunch out here. We're going to have a lot of giveaway prizes, all sorts of different stuff this year. And we're going to have a lot of awesome stuff on sale and a lot of doorbuster items too. Nick, what do we got first?
So for all the drag race guys, we have the Draggy. We sell a ton of these. They are $149.99 retail. This Saturday, $119.99.
And for you circle track racers, everybody has to have a transponder these days, almost no matter where you race. We normally sell this kit right here. It's the transponder, the charger, and the pouch for about 230 bucks. We're going to be offering this for $189.99. If you're a guy that rents a transponder every week at the racetrack, that's going to pay for itself in about 8 races. So come on out and check us out on Saturday, February the 13th. That's this weekend, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Watch our Facebook page for the rest of the week as we're going to announce more big sales and doorbuster items coming down the pipe. You're not going to want to miss it. Saturday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Be here. Mel Hamilton Ford.